Thanks for joining us on Valley News Live as we head through the 5 o'clock hour on this fabulous Friday. What a fabulous day we've had, but we've got big time changes. We gave you the first alert to it earlier in the week, and a storm system that has now prompted a blizzard warning for much of our area as we go through our Saturday, and we'll go over this in detail, but you want to be where you're going to be by midnight tonight here in the valley and points west. Stay home, stay safe. Do not travel if you do not need to, because we're talking some serious wind gusts. The aerial coverage in pink of the blizzard warning is on your screen. Red River Valley counties of Minnesota all the way out to the Missouri River Valley. Winter storm warnings here from the Bemidji area and the eastern reaches of Otter Tail County, kind of sliced in half here for you. And same thing with the Becker County area out toward Duluth. Winter weather advisories out toward the Twin Cities. Hour by hour forecast shows the banding of snow developing out in Bismarck now. It will work its way into our western counties by 10 o'clock. Still quiet here in Fargo-Moorhead as far as snowfall goes, but by the midnight hour, you'll see the snow expanding into the Southern Valley. The winds really pick up as we go through the overnight hours, and that's when it will be at its worst. Now, overnight, you'll see these dark blue bands setting up, one working its way through Fargo, but even more intense snow closer to the low pressure center. As we look from Minot, we're seeing some purples there. We'll have snowfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour, and it will snow all night and for much of the day for some of our northern neighbors. Watch this. Winds gusting to 40. Heavy bands of snow at times rolling their way through. A little quieter up here and not going yet in the morning on north central portions of Minnesota, but the rest of the area just downright nasty for travel across the area. Gusty southeast winds for you in agriculture if you want to protect the young livestock, if you have some on the ground as of yet. Now, as we take a look, there's a heavy band setting up Minot through Carrington, James River Valley, Cheyenne River Valley. That will spread into the Red River Valley with gusty winds through our Saturday midday and beyond. Notice this hole in the donut over here? You know what that is? That's the center of low pressure working its way in. Still terrible conditions through the early afternoon. As the snow lifts north, though, we will get a lull. Decrease in wind and decrease in snow in the south while it continues up along and north of Highway 200. Now, heading into your Sunday, does a switcheroo. The wind comes out of the north. We'll still have morning snow, but this will wrap up and exit fairly quickly. The wind sticks around. Will it be blizzard worthy? We'll have to see. So the Weather Service has issued for Sunday a winter storm watch. Still, there will be impactful wintry weather on Sunday as the wind will continue to keep terrible travel conditions. 9 to 14, the peak potential in northeast North Dakota. Keep that in mind. Grand Forks will see more than us here in Fargo the way things look. 7 inches to 11, pockets a little bit more in this purple shade you see here. Devils Lake, Carrington, New Rockford, Stutzman County as well. 5 to 8 Fargo, Valley City, and much of Lakes Country with the winds, terrible travel conditions. Most areas will see 4 inches in our entire area. But up here, along and north of Highway 200 and Interstate 94, a solid chance at 8 to 12 inches, even a little more. Latest radar shows the capital city all the way out towards the Lemon, South Dakota area and Hettinger seeing some snow. We're in the 30s from the valley and east. Cooler 20s out to the west. A wet, heavy snow develops tonight, folks, and the wind will be from the southeast. Increasing gusts overnight will approach 40, even over 50 miles per hour as we go through your Saturday. Temperatures fall and the snowflakes become a lot fluffier on Sunday, with blowing and drifting a possibility as well. Colder to start the week, but at least the flakes are through flying. Breezy on Tuesday. As we head towards Thursday, another smack of wintry weather, mainly in the southern counties. The way things look now, we'll keep you updated on that. That's right before St. Patrick's Day. And then after that, we have a shot at 30 degrees and a quiet weekend, the way it's looking right now, for the upcoming weekend after this one.
Yeah, we got to get through this one. That seems like it'll be a feat.
It will be. Have your shovel handy and have the weather app handy.
Thanks so much for preparing as such. Coming up, we'll tell you about the newest ice cream flavor that's bringing together ice cream and salad.